Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic. The topic is whether the court should be closed for the whole day due to the abstinence of the advocates, basing on the condolence on the death of an advocate. Normally, whenever an advocate dies, a condolence meeting will be held in the district judge's chamber or a court, and so many people will say few words, good words about the advocate, and ultimately 1 hour time will be given and later the call work will start. But it is a normal practice that the lawyers, they abstain from work for the whole day, particular day. This is not correct. This is what is stated by so many courts previously, Supreme also, but still the practice is there. While dealing with the case of Messrs. PLR Projects Private Limited versus Mahanadi Mahanadi Coalfields Limited and another in diary number 33859 by 2022, dated yesterday, that is on 12th September 2023, Honorable two judges bench of Supreme Court of India, Justice Sanjay Kishan Saul and Sudhanshu Dhulia, they made a critical note of the absence of the lawyers from the court due to the death of an advocate. No doubt, it is death of an advocate is definitely an unfortunate incident, and definitely the condolence meeting can be conducted. At the same time, the one precious day, the time of one precious day of the court should not be wasted. This is what is reiterated by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Right? So now coming to the facts of the case. The case is very serious. This PLR project case actually, whenever the case is coming up, something new is coming from the Supreme Court. Right? The Honorable Supreme Court of India was actually hearing a contempt petition against the lawyers of Odisha. In 2022, that is last year, the advocates of Odisha Bar Council, almost all the advocates of Odisha, they abstained from the courts. They observed a strike. They participated in the strike. During the strike, they got into, or they have actually damaged some property, or they have vandalized the property. They indulged themselves in vandalism, which is not excusable. Honorable Supreme Court of India took it a very serious issue. When the matters are coming up, it is your duty to represent. If you don't represent, stating that you are on strike, you are on absent, it's not correct. So, therefore, even though Supreme Court gave advisory guidelines, they did not care. Ultimately, it resulted in the police cases, and now matter has come to the Supreme Court. So out of 283 lawyers or so who were booked for this, they have given affidavit stating that they will not involve in such incidents like that. But still some things is continuing. So when the matter came up on 12th, the advocate, that is on behalf of Odisha Bar Council, he stated that, Your Honor, today we could not give any progress because of the abstinence of the lawyers. Why lawyers are absent? Because of the condolence meeting. When condolence meeting there, you can take 1 hour rest or you can take 1 hour time and then you have to attend the court. Why should you disrupt the court proceedings? So here, please remember, Supreme Court said, it is an unfortunate incident, but that can't be, please remember, that cannot bring the judicial work to a standstill. So now, Honorable Sanjay Kishan Kaul, he said, let them come to the court and say that they will not do it in future. Let them file an affidavit. So please remember, otherwise this warning will be turning into the content of the court, right? So those involvement of the advocates, you may be remembering. So why they have indulged in strike is because they wanted separate benches, high court benches at Raipur and other places. Of course, the cause is genuine, cause is good, but the way in which they acted is bad. At the same time, here, as regards the so-called strike, yes, strike by lawyers is illegal. As stated in the ex-Captain Harish K. Uppal case, I told you already. But still, sometimes it will be reiterated. So once again, the matter was taken to the notice of the Supreme Court, and they have given cautionary guidelines. Better to follow, right? So if everything goes well, nobody is bothered. But if the Supreme Court takes it in a serious way, we have to suffer. So please read the comments of Honorable Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul while dealing with the PLR projects and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you.